GP Theriot joins us, one of the top loan originators in the mortgage industry. GP, I appreciate you coming on this morning.
Well, good morning and happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for having me.
Well, same to you. Money is a little bit expensive right now, and I know folks are holding off on their purchases, but it doesn't seem like necessarily prices are coming down.
You're absolutely right. Prices are still holding steady, and it's interesting because these sellers, they're wanting to get that full price that these sellers got about 12 months ago, and they have to realize they got to adapt. So we're seeing homes sit a lot longer, and that's actually a good thing for these buyers. They've got the upper hand right now.
What does it do to the price of a home as when you compare it to interest rates? If you have a $300,000 home last year, is it now worth maybe $250,000, $275,000, or has it affected the price at all?
Honestly, it's really holding steady. I mean, we're not seeing huge dips. I mean, that's just and again, everything's geographical. I tell people we're lucky to be here in Texas and Dallas Metroplex. Properties hold value here. But I do want to stress, though, with that said, properties are sitting a little bit longer. And so when we see that, the buyers right now, it's the unknown. And if you want to talk investors that want to buy, or even just somebody wants to buy their primary residence, now is the time to get in the game because so many people are sitting on the sideline. They're waiting for these interest rates to come down, which they will. But at that point, you're too late, meaning it's going to be chaos again. The floodgates are going to open. So why not take advantage? If you can fight through the storm with a higher payment right now, you're going to be able to refinance, I think, in the next 12 months or less. You'll be refinancing in 2023. So you've got a lot more negotiating power right now.
I did see a story. We only have about 60 seconds left, but I wanted to ask you about this. A lot of investor groups have been buying great, big, large amount portfolios of homes that it sounds like they're just a few people trying to make us a renter nation.
It was very frustrating about 12 months ago. Yeah, I mean, you would see, especially on the West Coast and Florida, just buying neighborhoods, and it was all cash buyers. Mm-hmm. But that has slowed down significantly now. I think now they're tapping the brakes too to be sure of what is the unknown. Or these properties they bought, they're sitting too. So it's definitely slowed down on that side. So if you're an individual buyer, now's the time you've got more advantage. Take advantage of these sellers. Of getting seller concession, meaning have them buy down your rate. Payment's the most important thing right now. Mm-hmm. If you can leverage that to have them buy down the rate, and don't go in lowball it. Cash on cash, you'll see more impact if they're buying your rate down, helping your monthly payment.
GP, do you have a website you want to mention?
Yes, sir. You can go to, looks like Theriot. It's spelled Theriot. So TherioMortgage.com, TherioMortgage.com, and call because there's so many strategies right now where you can still take full advantage of this great real estate market.
All right. GP Theriot, thank you so much for coming on. We appreciate it. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. Have a great one.